Nobody? I don't think anybody's responded to either one of the parties. Have you had response yet, Tony?
Yeah, a few people.
Oh, who? Well, a few people, but I guess he's recording. Yeah, and I just invited like people from work, and none of them have let me know yet. So I'll probably like.
Jackson, what's Dad's truck say? Yeah. What's Firefire's truck say? What's Dad's truck say? Yeah.
What's Firefire's truck say?
What's your car say? What's your car say? What's a fire truck say?
He's saying, what's your car say, Jesse?
What's a cow say? What's a dog say? What's a horse say? What's a pig say?
Yeah, funny. But now it says nap time and he wants to get in the car, so I think it's gonna be
Where's your nose?
He didn't take a nap yesterday until like.
Where's your eyes?
Fell asleep. I
Where's your ears?
For about 2 hours, but he didn't sleep.
Where's your hair? Where's your fingers?
Yeah.
Where's your toes? Whoa!
That's what happened this morning. He got up at 4:07.
Jackson, where's your belly?
Saw the car. Like,
Where's your belly?
Man.
Oh, the belly.
So he just did not want to go back to bed. And I was
Did you see? Did Grandma get you this car? Jackson, did Grandma get you this car?